Welcome to Roto Carpet Cleaning, your trusted partner in maintaining clean and fresh carpets in your home. Based in Everett, Washington, we offer a range of services from carpet and upholstery cleaning to pressure washing and water damage restoration. Experience quality service with guaranteed stain and pet odor removal. At Roto Carpet Cleaning, we don't just clean carpets. We also offer upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, and pressure washing services. We take care of all your cleaning needs. We're proud to be a locally owned and operated business. Serving Everett, King County, and surrounding areas, we're rooted in our community. We understand our community's needs because we're part of it. We believe in transparent and fair pricing. That's why Roto Carpet Cleaning offers free estimates and exciting specials. Contact us today for a free estimate. Are you ready for clean and fresh carpets? Imagine walking into your home to the comforting smell of cleanliness. That's the Roto Carpet Cleaning promise. We're just a phone call away. From residential to commercial cleaning, upholstery, tile and grout, to water damage restoration, we've got you covered. Don't wait. Call Roto Carpet Cleaning now and experience the difference of a truly clean carpet. Connect with us online. Want to know more about our extensive services? You can easily find us online. Visit our website at www.rotocarpetcleaning.com. We've tailored it to provide you with all the information you need about our cleaning solutions. You'll also find customer testimonials, before and after photos, and details of our latest deals. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us an email at info@rotocarpetcleaning.com. We're always ready to help. Remember, clean carpets are just a click away with Roto Carpet Cleaning.